I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have a lawful purpose. That matters because telecoms and authorities only release personal data for valid reasons. Once done, collect the number, timestamps, and original screenshots or call logs. Make sure to note how and when you were contacted. If the number appears in a business listing or on a profile, that may resolve things quickly. Otherwise, proceed with official channels rather than guessing or invasive searches. Next, use public, non-invasive routes. Check for a visible business profile on messaging apps or public directories because that is legitimately accessible. If you need the operator's help, report the issue to Geo's support as a misuse or security complaint. They will not disclose owner details without lawful process. If the interaction involves harassment, threats, or fraud, file an FIR. Police can then formally request. Finally, escalate only through legal channels. Deliver preserved evidence to police so they can obtain subscriber details via a lawful request. Make sure to follow up through telecom grievance portals if initial reports stall. If you hit a dead end, retain all records and consult a lawyer about obtaining a court order or subpoena. Do not attempt intrusive doxing or unofficial data brokers. Troubleshooting tip. If the number is blocked or deleted, preserved timestamps and metadata are crucial for investigators.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.